I'm getting calls from other agents that are going, how in the heck did you get $2 million for that house on that street?
Right.
I mean, they love the house. The house is gorgeous. What you guys did was amazing. But still, you know, the market is like, there was competition on it, and that's what drove the price up. My name's Gary Richardson. I work for Strand Hill Properties out of Manhattan Beach. The home was definitely needed quite a bit of work, and it's in an incredible area. It's in the sand section of Manhattan Beach. The work that they did on the home, we started at the very beginning to do a concept of what people are looking for in a refurbished home. So from start to finish, then when they completed it and we went to market, they priced it right, and that enabled us to get multiple offers on the property. And then we got to the point where there were multiple people bidding on the property, and it got up to a price that was just amazing. I've been working with Prospect for about a year now. This is the second project that I've done with them. They've done an amazing job on the whole process from start to finish. They've been wonderful to work with. Their customer service support is amazing. There's a gentleman that works for them named Hector that meets with the clients, walks through the property, and just takes care of everything. So I've been extremely impressed with how well they've done.